So, in what we do, it all has to do with submission to the FDA. A documentation at the end of this process is what the FDA will get in order for the device to go through and be submitted successfully. So it goes through all sorts of documentation. A lot of this you're probably very familiar with, so I'm going to go very quickly through the submission chart. I apologize if it's a little small, but it all starts with intended use. What is this device going to do? It's very simple, and it should be kept very simple, non-technical. Product requirements. The PRD is a document that actually says what the product will do. A lot of people make the mistake and talk about it technically and how it will do it. That's getting ahead of the process. Again, the documentation and the way this falls in order is very critical to this whole submission. So an example of something that is good, what something will do, it will assist in the pumping of a heart. What you don't want to do is you don't want to talk about how you will do that with the type of technology that will use a centrifuge. You've now taken the ball away from the engineers and kind of narrowed their focus into how they have to accomplish the design of this device. Now, I will say, if you have a specific technology that you've patented, this is somewhere where you would want to enter that in and start the process of using that device and that technology in this process.